Please tell, where do you work? My workplace is Rehabilitation Center of Latvian Society of the Blind. What is your qualification? I am social rehabilitation specialist. What is included in the scope of your duty? I train blind and partially sighted people to adapt to their life situations after sight loss in childhood or later on in their life. I help them to learn cooking skills, mobility with white cane, skills to use public traffic vehicles, to do one's shopping. I also help to obtain braille reading and writing skills. At first, I myself went through a 3-month-long rehabilitation training program. I got partly sighted in 2008, and after 1.5 years, learned about rehabilitation opportunities and came there. To be more precise, I was lead there by assistant. I tried to take in everything that was offered by rehabilitation specialists, to manage all know-how and skills. I learned to use computer, to use white cane and navigate routes to necessary places.
Pēc 3 mēnešiem es iemācījos strādāt datoru, staigāt ar baltu spieķi ārā, pārvietoties maršrutos vajadzīgos.
Did you already know before rehabilitation training program about your wish to become a rehabilitation specialist? After training program, they offered me to study social rehabilitation in College Attīstība within the framework of European project, and I accepted the proposal. Did they took you in right away? Yes, I did. I studied 2.5 years, and then came suggestion to take a subsidized workplace in the rehabilitation center. But while necessary papers have been arranged, I work there as volunteer.
Subsidēt darbā vietā. Šeit arī rehabilitācijas centrā. Bet vajadzēja, kamēr dokumenti noformējas, es piedāvāju strādāt kā brīvprātīgais.
First time I learned about guide dogs in the training camp, Bridge Towards the Lucky Strike. That was activity of this European project. There were dog trainers with guide dog Theodore. At that time, I didn't imagine having guide dog myself. I tried out to be guided by a dog, and we walked some 50 meters together. The second time I met Theodore was during event in Vērmanes Park in Riga. And again it was opportunity for us to walk together. I was asked if I wished to have a guide dog for myself. From the start I had doubts, because of private reasons. But after walking a while with dog and crossing a couple of streets with his assistance, just to learn how does it feel for Theodore, I accepted the proposal. 2 months passed and we both got accustomed to each other. Together with dog there must be a rather active lifestyle. You have to go outside and walk every day. Now we do it regularly.
Katru dienu vajadzēja staigāt, diezgan ātri pieredzi, un arī komandas iemācīties.
In his leisure time, Alexei loves to play guitar, attends dancing lessons and theatrical performance rehearsals. He learns piano playing as well, and voluntarily is involved in activities of Service Dogs Association. How does he manage to make it in time? As it's said in one song, how wonderful the world is. He takes all good things what life gives him, and if there's opportunity to learn something new, he readily takes a chance.